Owen's turn now. Owen's turn. Ooh, gutter ball. Gutter ball. How do you feel? Good job.
I'm actually the worst at bowling.
No, Izzy is. Izzy's no. Gutter ball. I'm catching up to Owen fast.
Zion.
Yes?
Watch Izzy get it right.
Zion, do you want the bumpers on, you guys?
No. My mom just asked me if we want the bumpers on, but no, no bumpers. It's Zoe's turn. Oh, I just realized this is in its third part. Okay. Passed the line. It passed the line. But she still has another chance, I think. Enjoy.
Good job, Zozo.
Pretty good, pretty good. High five.
Stayed in the middle, it probably would have been in.
High five.
Good job, Zozo.
High five.
Favorite score is 3-0 to 3.
I want you to record me go one more time,
Yeah.
and then I might stop the vlog for a while.
Yeah. So after,
Because the max on iMovie, the max you can vlog is only 15 minutes.
and
And if it's over 15 minutes, then I'll have to make a part 2 to this.
yeah, because on YouTube, if you have under 1K subscribers, I think your videos can only be up to 10 minutes. So I'm gonna have to put this into a bunch of parts. But yeah.
But you have a 20-minute video on your channel.
No.
I think you do. Get exposed.
Okay. So Mason about to go up. After this, I'm gonna stop. I don't need help. I don't need help. Okay. I'm gonna record Mason. Mason's going up. Oh!
You get to go again.
Oh, I gotta go again.
Mason got a strike. Good job, Mason.
Zion's mad. I'm playing.
Okay, well I'm gonna start later.
Zion, beat that.
Bye.
If Zion